Help Lucky the dog protect the carrots. Tap on the hairs so Lucky will chase them away. Hooray! Don't stop! Lucky needs a training. Throw him the items and he'll bring them back. Done! Ready. Help Lucky find hidden items. Tap on the earth heaps so Lucky will dig them up. Amazing! Done! This is Rosie the horse. Let's feed her. Drag hay from the sheaf into the feeder. Keep up the good work. We did it! To keep Rosie's legs from hurting, we need to shoe her. Use the hammers to hit the nails. You're doing really great. Done! It's time to plow our garden. Put a collar, a saddle, and a plow on Rose. Now let's make seed beds. Lead Rosie along the garden. She will plow. Keep it up. Don't stop. Meet Molly the cow. Let's feed her. Drag the food right into her mouth. We did it! Keep it up. Now Molly is sated and ready to give us lots of milk. Pull her udder to fill the basin with milk. Don't stop. Ready. Now we need to pasture our Molly, water the lawn, and the plants for our cow will grow on it. Keep it up. And now it's time to feed the piggies. Mix the food in basins. Don't stop. You're doing really great. Put the food into the trough so our piggies can have a solid meal. Piggies like to lie in mud. Fill the muddy puddles with sand from the heap to avoid the piggies from getting dirty. Ready. Don't stop. Let's bathe our piggy wiggies. Drag the piggies into the bathtub. Our hens are hungry. Feed them with the grain from the sack. Hooray! Amazing! The hens are sated now and ready to lay eggs. Catch eggs with the basket. Don't stop. Done. Our hens have scattered all over the garden. Catch them and drag them into the pen. We did it!